Hi, this video is going to discuss if you need an attorney if you and the person you're divorcing agree on everything. And the answer is sort of complicated. So there are some issues in which, in order for your agreement to be enforceable, both parties need to have had an attorney review the agreement. Things like spousal support. If you agree to waive spousal support, that means you and the person you're divorcing have agreed that neither of you are going to receive any spousal support, and then later one of you tries to challenge that and get spousal support. If that person challenging it did not have an attorney represent them or advise them when reviewing the agreement, then you may have an enforceability issue, and that person might try to say that the agreement is not enforceable because they did not have legal advice. My recommendation is, if you agree on everything, then have one of you go to an attorney who is going to draft up the agreement and meet with you to go over it and advise you of your rights, draft it up, send it to the other party, and have that other party go to his or her own lawyer to review that agreement, advise him or her on her rights of the agreement, and then both attorneys sign the agreement stating that they have advised their clients of their rights and understanding of the agreement. That's the best way to go about endorsing an agreement, a marriage settlement agreement. That's what that's called. And then, that attorney, either of those attorneys can then help you either do it themselves or use one of their staff members to help you fill out all of the forms that you have to fill out whenever you are filing for divorce. It's a lot of forms. I mean, it's a huge packet of forms that you have to fill out and file with the court if you're wanting to get divorced. It's easier to actually get married than it is to get divorced. There's one piece of paper you need whenever you're getting married, and there's a whole packet of papers you need when you're getting divorced. So you also want to make sure, an attorney is going to help you make sure that all of the issues that affect you, or that occur, that exist in your family and of your divorce, are dealt with in the marriage settlement agreement. So that's another reason why it's a good idea to have an attorney either draft it or help you review it. So like I said, end of the day, I think it's best to have each party has his or her own attorney review and advise him or her of his or her rights under the agreement, and sign the agreement stating that attorney has done so. Please feel free to leave any general comments that you have below. Please know that this video is just for informational purposes only. It's not to be considered legal advice, and watching this video does not create an attorney-client relationship between the two of us, you and me. If you do want to schedule a free consultation, I'd be happy to chat with you. Please call the number. I'll leave it in the description box to schedule that free consultation. And I wish you the best in your family law endeavors. Thanks for watching.